you a chicken?
I want these chickens.
Ah! Are you a chicken? What? What are you doing? Are we okay now? Yes? Oh, no. Okay. Are you okay now?
Are you done now? You done?
What?
You done? Are you done?
What? Are you okay?
Partly due to stock market rally, which is difficult, of course, to judge today because families' finances tattered by the recession. Airlines still facing higher jet fuel costs, and that's right in the wallet. American Airlines. Finally, surprise, surprise, orange juice expected to boosted its estimates for the Florida orange crop. That's a sign that damage from the December frost was less severe than estimated. At the New York Stock Exchange, I'm Daphne Coughlin with the Bloomberg after the bell report.
Coming up tonight at 6 on WBAY. The North Dakota Class A basketball tournament tipped off this afternoon at the Cargo Dome. Highlights of this afternoon's quarterfinals, which included one of the top seeds going down.